Okay, we're ready for round 8. This is the round where we're going to start getting straight edges, so no more circles. What you're going to do is attach in the top of any of your double crochets. I like to start like just the first one after a chain 1 space. So we're going to attach our yarn, and then we're going to chain 3. We're going to double crochet in the next 11 stitches, and we're going to be skipping the chain 1. So only in those double crochets is where we're going to put our stitches. So 1, 2. Now we're doing 11 stitches, but remember those chain 3 at the beginning are going to count as a stitch too. So that's one of our double crochets. So it is going to look like this, and you kind of learn like kind of the by seeing it. I can't talk. Okay, so you'll have four sets of those 3 double crochets will be your kind of your run of stitches, and then you're going to in the chain 1 space you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So in the stitch is a double crochet and chain 2. I'm sure you can hear my son, and you're probably going to hear my husband snoring because I think I can hear that from the other room too. We're very entertaining around here. Okay, so there's our first run with our double crochet in the chain space, 2 and then 1. So then we're gonna do double crochet in the next 12, only in our double crochets, not in our chain 1s. We want to skip those. So we're just keep going on around, and once you do a few of these, it seems like it gets easier, and you can kind of, you just notice, look, ooh, there's our first little point. So got one more set of these double crochets, and then I'll do another little corner here. So we've got our double crochets in the top of the double crochets from 7, and then we're going to do a double crochet in this chain 1 space with 2 chains and another double crochet all in that space, and then we just keep going around. And I've noticed that my hexagons, when I finish, they kind of start to flatten out, but then they're still a little bowed in the middle. But I think once you block them, it'll kind of work itself out. They'll flatten out, and they won't look like that. So I don't know, of course I don't know if you guys have ever blocked your stuff before, but I use like the little foam blocks that you like puzzle together that you'd use for like gym floor or like a play mat kind of thing. I use those and just some skewers, and block my stuff that way, and I can kind of show you that if you want me to. But this is kind of I feel like this round goes kind of faster. I say that, maybe I'm just talking a lot. So Okay, so that's what we're looking like going around. See, mine's kind of bowed, so that's okay. So I'll just continue all around and I will pick you guys up for round 9. We're getting close.